In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right SoundCloud app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right SoundCloud app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store, and this is the app, and then tap on it to open. From here, you need to go ahead and first log in with your email if you're not logged in, and then you should see a search bar here. Go ahead and search the app by its name. If you can't see this search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. So go ahead and tap on it and search SoundCloud, just like that, as one word, and then tap on the search icon here. So if I tap on this app that has popped up first, now here is the right SoundCloud app. The tagline is "the music you love." So make sure it is from SoundCloud. This is a company that produced this app. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.5 with over 7 million reviews. Currently, the file size is 33 MBs, and this app currently has over 100 million downloads. So it has been downloaded a lot. So if you see these features, then you will know that you have the right SoundCloud app. To get this music app, go ahead and tap on install here, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of SoundCloud and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can straight away go ahead and open it from here to start using it. Or if you go to your apps, now you should see SoundCloud here. If you tap on it, this is the welcoming interface. Proceed and create your account, or if you already have an account, tap on I already have an account to log in. So that's how you can install the right SoundCloud app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.